Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra for about a month now, and I just want to go over my experiences with it and just give you a review of the tablet. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra for about a month now. I just want to go over my experience with it. I want to show y'all what y'all can do with this tablet. I'm going to go show y'all clips of other videos that I've done and give y'all overall like user experience with this phone, with this tablet. Have I been using this tablet pretty much every day? Yes, I have. I actually have been editing videos on this thing with using Adobe Rush. I know LumaFusion's coming out soon. I know a lot of people are excited about that software and what you can do editing with this tablet, so stay tuned for that too. But let's get into some of the things I don't like about it, and some of them is not even Samsung's fault. Trying to find a case besides the keyboard case that I have that I got from Samsung for free, there are not many different cases out there right now. A lot of the case companies don't have the cases in stock, or they're not making it. They have it for the Tab S8 Plus and S8, but just not for the Ultra yet, so that's a bummer. The overall speakers on this thing, are they good? Yes. Are they $1,000 good? Probably not. I think you could get a little bit more bass and just sound a little bit better. And definitely not a deal breaker. I'm not saying I hate the speakers on this thing, because I usually have a Bluetooth speaker or headphones hooked up to it anyway, but if you just want to play it out loud, they are okay. They're just not the best for me. Another thing, the battery life has been pretty good too so far. Also with the keyboard stand, it works really great. Let me show you what you can do with remote desktop and how you can emulate, or I guess use this as your remote desktop computer. Watch this clip and download the remote desktop app right here. And what you do is click on it. It will tell you, you can name your computer. So I named it Forest Tech, why not? And as you can tell, I am in my computer. And yes, this thing can run like Adobe Premiere Pro and have no problem with it. Or you can do Chrome. You can access files on here if you want to access files. You can look at your 8K video that you did earlier. And so if I want to edit a video and I forgot the files at my house, I can log in, take this tablet and do it. If I want to search the internet, you can definitely do so. Look, I was looking up for poetic cases. What y'all thought about that overall desktop experience? It actually can kind of simulate Windows on your desktop. You can use Adobe, yes, you're basically using it and doing a remote desktop. Can you do it with the S8, S8 Plus? Yes, you probably can, but you have a 14.6 inch display with this Ultra. The other thing that you can do, which I'm gonna show you another clip of, is the second screen on here. You can use this as a second screen for your computer or many other different devices. And it works great too. Like, it extends your screen great. Check out this clip of me doing that real fast too. So for example, if I want Excel on this side and I want Word on this side, I just drag it over. I can make it bigger and I can start typing on here, and it works pretty good. As you can tell, I'm just typing away. The latency is not bad at all. All right, what y'all thought about that? Come on, this tablet can be used so many different ways. Also, you can play games on it. I did a gaming review. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of that right now too. But overall, gaming has been fun on this tablet. But check out this quick gaming test right here too. See if I can catch up. My little Lancer's going good. Can I catch him? Oh, get out of my way for the win! Oh, yes! What y'all thought about that gaming experience? Y'all let me know in the comments. If you have it, do you game on it? Once you can find a good controller for this thing too, it's a beast of a tablet for game. I mean, look at that screen. It's right there in front of y'all. It's a beautiful screen. So let's get into my thoughts about it. That display right there, the 14.6 inch display is amazing. It gets really bright when you're inside. The colors are really good too. The only problem or complaint you can say is if you're in direct sunlight, you can kind of forget it. It doesn't get the brightest in the direct sunlight, but I don't use my tablet outside that much, so not a big deal for me. But y'all can check out other videos people do have on their channels complaining about the sunlight or direct sunlight using this tablet outside. But multitasking on here is great. Right now, I think I have 2 apps open. So let me do YouTube and Twitter. So you can, go here on Twitter and then also have watching a YouTube video here too. Everything's about Fortnite right now. Shout out to season 2 on Fortnite. But, I mean, and then you can open up a third app too, or you can make one side bigger, one side smaller. So it's actually a great way of multitasking on here. And you can open it with many different apps. Now the fingerprint scanner works pretty good. Let me try this on camera. Look, I missed it, but there you go. When you're not around the camera, it actually works really good. There you go, it works really good. Face unlock can be a little finicky sometimes. The speakers, like I mentioned earlier, they're okay. But overall, my experience with this Tab S8 Ultra has been great. Now, some people also complain about the size of this tablet. I love it. I love the size of it. I think, the bigger the better. Just look at how beautiful this thing is. Overall, it's been a great experience. Y'all let me know again if y'all have it, what y'all think about it. Let's have a friendly discussion. Am I glad I picked it up? Yes, I am very glad. Overall, this experience with this tablet has been great. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.